Grabe maka-inspired ang story ni Mayor Mamay. Grabe ang struggles siyang kinabuhi. Bisan pag manghamon niya siyang life, grabe nga masakses siya sa iyang gym. Na-realize na ko nga simin niya o kanang kaaging agi po sila ka pobrehon.
Mayor Marcos Mamay's journey is incredible and inspirational.
Is that it was very an awe-inspiring film. It gave many important and meaningful lessons throughout life.
So kinahanglan nagi ng perseverance, na determination, no, sacrifices. So dagang struggles nga nagyan nato.
Everyone? Alright. BTS.